First, derivatives na itong x squared, which is 2x. Then, ang derivatives ng 4y squared is 8y times y prime equals 4a times y prime. Then, ang gagawin po natin dyan is i-differentiate natin. Bali, lalabas natin yung 2x tapos ipapasok natin yung 4a times y prime. Then, ganito po yung magiging mangyari. 8y pasok yung 4a times y prime, magiging negative 4a times y prime equals, since nilabas natin yung 2x, magiging negative 2x. Then, gagawin natin dyan, ipa-factor out natin yung y prime. Magiging y prime parenthesis 8y minus 4a equals negative 2x. Then, divide natin both side dito. 8y 4a equals 8y a. Maka-cancel na to. Matitira yung y prime. Mangyayari y prime equals to negative 2x over 8y minus 4a. Since may ganyan pa siya, pwede pa natin siyang i-divide dito. Nagiging negative x 4y minus 2a. Ito na ang dy over dx natin sa number 1. Sa number 2 naman, ang gagawin natin, yung y squared is i-distribute natin dito siya sa loob ng parenthesis. So, ang mangyayari dyan is y squared times x is equals to x y squared plus y squared times 2y is equals to 2y cubed equals c squared constant, magiging c squared pa din. Then, mangyayari dyan, since ganito may dalawang variable na magkasama, gagamit tayo ng product rule. X y squared, then ito yung magiging u natin, b. Then, ang rule ng product rule is u over b. Then, ang du natin is 1. Ang db natin is 2y times y prime. So, ang susunod dyan, 2y times, x times 2y times y prime is equals to 2x y times y prime, then y squared times 1 equals 2 plus y squared equals, ano yung derivatives nito? Diba? 6. Ba't may equal na? Dapat plus lang yan. Magiging 6 y squared equal times y prime equals c squared. Yan. Then, i-differentiate ulit natin siya. Lahat ng may prime, pagkasamahin natin, tapos lahat ng walang prime, lalabas natin. So, ang may prime lang naman dito is yung 2xy times y prime, tsaka 6y squared times y prime. So, ang y squared lang is wala siyang y prime na kasama. Then, ilalabas natin siya. Mayari, 2xy times y prime plus 6y squared times y prime equals, ilabas natin to magiging negative y squared. Then, factor out natin yung y prime dito. Yung y prime, yung 2xy plus 6y squared parenthesis equals negative y squared. Then, divide natin siya both side dito. 2xy plus 6y squared 2xy plus 6y squared, then cancel out, matitira na lang yung y ulit. Y is equals to negative y squared over 2xy plus 6y squared 6y squared. Then, yung denominator, pwede pa natin siyang i-factor or i-divide. Negative y squared, tapos 2xy plus 6y. Mangyayari dyan, yung y ng 6y squared, pwede natin siyang i-factor out. Pwede natin siyang, factor out. Magiging 2x plus 6y. Yan. Ano yung dy over dx natin sa number 2?
So for number 3, yung equation natin is find dx over dy of y is equal to x cubed plus 1 squared. So, una natin gagawin dyan para mahanap natin yung dy over dx. Nagamit tayo ng chain rule. So, dy over dx is equal to 2 multiplied by x cubed plus 1 is equal to d over dx multiplied by x cubed plus 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by x cubed plus 1 multiplied by 3x squared is equal to 6x squared multiplied by x cubed plus 1. May parenthesis yan. So, nakuha na natin yung value ng dy over dx. Ito yun. So, para naman makuha na natin yung answer, kunin muna natin yung reciprocal ng dy over dx para makuha na natin yung dx over dy. So, gagawin lang natin dx over dy is equal to 1. Magiging 1 na lang to, and then over, ay hindi pala, ito pala, may over dx yan dito. Kulang yan, and then ang makuha natin is 1 over yung answer natin kanina. Then ayun na yung final answer. So, ang equation naman sa number 4 is z squared is equal to 2zy plus 3y squared is equal to 4. Find dz over dy. So, dito, ang hinahanap is dx since yung z, variable lang yan na pinalitan. So, sa number 1, gagawin natin, differentiate both side natin yung equation. So, d over dy multiplied by 2 squared minus dy multiplied by 2zy plus dy d over dy multiplied by 3y squared, and makuha natin is equal to d over dy multiplied by 4. Then dito naman ganun pa rin, 2z is equal to 2z and dz over dy minus 2. So dito ano tayo dito, and differentiate both side tayo with respect to y. Then 2 plus y dz over dy plus 6y is equal to 0. Then yung dito naman, expand natin yung equation para makuha natin yung dz over dy. 2z dz over dy minus 2z minus 2y dz over dy plus 6y is equal to 0. Ito na yung kanina. Then 2z dz over dy minus 2y dz is equal to 2z minus 6y. So nakuha na natin, ipa-factor out na lang natin para makuha natin yung answer. dz over dy is equal to dz over dy multiplied by 2z minus 2y is equal to 2z minus 6y. Then magiging ganito na siya. dz over dy is equal to 2z minus 6y. Then 2z minus zy. So ito na yung final answer niya pag na-factor out na.
For number 5, find the slope of x times x squared minus y squared equals 3 at 1, negative 2. Una, ginawa ko dyan is yung x dinistribute ko sa loob. Bali, ang nangyari, yung x times x squared is equals to x cubed. Tapos x times negative y squared equals to negative x y squared equals to 3. Then, ang nangyari dyan, sunod, since may gantong scenario, ang ginawa ko, nag-product rule ako. Ito, product rule ko siya. Ang nangyari dyan, kinuha ko muna yung derivatives ng x cubed, which is 3x squared. Then, negative x times 2y times y prime is equals to negative 2xy times y prime. Ito. Then, yung sunod, y squared times negative 1 is equals to negative y squared. Hindi na natin nilalagay lagi yung 1, diba? Negative 1. So, syempre, 3 to, magiging constant na lang. Then, ang ginawa ko sunod, yung 3x squared tsaka yung negative y squared, dinifferentiate ko siya sa may y prime. Kaya ang ginawa ko, ilabas ko itong negative 2xy times y prime. Then, syempre negative 2xy times y prime siya. Ang nangyari, naging positive. Naging positive siya nung nilabas ko. Kaya ito, positive 2xy. Tapos, yung 2xy times y prime, pinactor ko. Kaya naging 2xy na lang siya. Then, dinivide ko both side by 2xy. Diba? Positive 2xy yan. Kaya ang nangyari, 3x squared minus y squared over 2xy. Then, yung value ng x and y, sinubstitute ko, which is, ang value ng x is 1. And then, ang value ng value ng y is negative 2. Then, kapag in-input mo yung 3x squared minus y squared over 2xy, ang kakalabasan niyan is negative 1 over negative 4. Then, pag minultiply mo sila, magiging positive 1 over 4.
Number 6. X is equals to 1 plus y squared raised to 3 over 2. Find dy over dx. So first, chain rule muna natin siya. Magiging 3 over 2 times y plus y squared raised to 1/2 times 2y dy over dx. Next is isi-simplify naman natin siya. So, magiging 3y times 1 plus y squared raised to 1 half dy dx. So, ang next naman natin gagawin dyan is i-divide na natin both sides. So, magiging dy over dx is equals to 1 over 3y times 1 plus y squared raised to 1 half. So, gagawin natin is ayusin na lang natin yung pagkakasulat, and then yun na yung final answer natin. So, magiging dy over dx is equals to 1 over 3y square root of 1 plus y squared. So, ito na ating final answer.